Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I opened a long trade on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. And we'll also go into Ethereum as well. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. Make sure you've read the book, Technical Analysis for the Financial Markets. When you do that, you'll be able to trade and make heaps of money. Also, make sure you take my courses and you watch my videos and you learn how to trade. I'm trading mainly on Bybit because Bybit has the second biggest volume. In my opinion, it's the best platform for trading, the best exchange for trading. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. For technicals, I'll take off this glove, and you can see here the RSI on Bitcoin on the 4-hourly has bottomed and turned up. You're seeing that? It did a double bottom here between the 10th and the 11th and turned up. The RSI, when it goes underneath here, that's when it's oversold and time to be buying. When it goes above here, that's when it's overbought. And usually it needs to do, the indicators when it crosses, that's just saying that it's oversold, but it doesn't necessarily mean that it's when it comes down, when it's oversold, it doesn't mean that it's going to stop going down. But when it double bottoms like this and then turns up and comes back across the line, that's indicated that the bottom is in. So I went long on Bitcoin. You can also see here on the 4-hourly, we have a curving bottom, and Bitcoin's been following this trend up. The long from earlier today already in the profits, which is beautiful. Let's see. Already profiting in the long. We had this bottoming formation. We had big V-shaped recovery. Then we're on this trend line. You can see Bitcoin is climbing this trend line now. The big resistance is actually not until this line. You can see here, this is in the last few weeks when Bitcoin went to 24,000, 23,000. Next big resistance, 22,500. So that's the long I've taken on Bitcoin. If you haven't opened a long here, I would go along off this support, stop loss underneath the trend line. So I'd go long from the daily support, stop loss under the trend line, and take profit same position, 22,800. It's 11.64 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $79 to make $926 without leverage. With 10x leverage, that's $9,200 of profits. RSI heading up nicely. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. And on the daily, the RSI also is midway turning to head up. You can also use this midway long as indicator. When it crosses to go up, that's when you can go long. When it crosses to go down, that's when you can go short. This is how you use the RSI. And when it goes above the line and it makes a double top and a lower high, then you can go short it's an indicator oscillator. And what it means, the RSI is set to the last 14 days, how many times it's gone higher highs and how many times it's made a higher low in the last 14 days. And you can see here when we hit 24K, it made one high, and then the RSI came up and it didn't make a higher high. That was an indicator actually that the top was in on that short-term rally, which was almost calling it exactly. It was up here when it did that double top, 23,600. So that's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. I'm already in a trade. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, in the description and the pinned comment down below on your phone, go down below, signing up to bybit.com, this link. You get a $30,000 bonus when you use that link and meet the trading requirements. $30,000 bonus. You can also buy MCRT on there. And you can take the crypto master course with 7,000 students, learn technical analysis, learn what I'm teaching. And you can join the free Telegram alerts group. There's 7,000 members in there where I'll show you some of the gains of those members. You can see here this student, Guru share screenshots of gains. This student 181%, 136%. This student 58% profit, 56% profit. This student making a few dollars down actually on those trades. This student 283%. You can see, and there's 7,000 members in this group. 830%, 400%. Just started a week ago, and I'm already not playing with large amounts, but I'm very happy when I win. Thank you, James. And you can just see the gains of some of these students, which is beautiful. Let's check out Ethereum now. Then I'm going to show you the trades I have open. So now I also bought a lot of FXS today, which is beautiful. It's slightly down since I bought it. MCRT is up 2%, which is beautiful. Ethereum, I think Ethereum touched that trend line that I talked about if you followed my videos last time. I'm in the mountains in the snow, so slight delay on the... Let's see if this chart loads. Yep, so this is Ethereum. It came underneath this bull flag, this trend line. And we had like bounce on this support, it broke this support, now it's trying to come up. It actually doesn't look too good for Ethereum. It's on these supports. On the 4 hourly, let's get rid of these lines and see what we're seeing like with fresh eyes. You sometimes want to just go off what's recently happening when you're short-term trading. You want to be not look too far in the history, because then you can get distracted. You want to see what's happening recently. So if we see what's happening recently on Ethereum, you could say that this is a big support line. Where we're sitting above right now. Okay, and this is a pattern starting to form here. Bull flag, bullish pennant, a big one, which is interesting. This is a bullish pennant. You can see here pole and then descending triangle, which will be a continuation pattern, which usually plays out like this. So Ethereum could have a double bottom at this $1,500 area. Then around 70%, usually the triangle breaks out 70% of the distance. So here it'll be taking us to about 1800, which is here. So actually a good time to go long on Ethereum, but it can double bottom, so be aware of that. Or it can also do this and just break out, or it can go like this and then break out. Both bullish patterns. So I would go long from Ethereum here, opening long, stop loss there underneath, and take profit at the target. Risk to reward ratio 11 times, risking $26 to make $300 per Ethereum without leverage. With 10x leverage, $3,000 profits. With 20x leverage, $6,000 of profits. That's the trade I would take at Ethereum, opening at 1514, stop loss 1487, take profit 1816. And again, if you want to trade, in the description pin comment, I've got a Bitcoin trade open right now. $134 in the profits. I opened it earlier today. It's about 2.6 Bitcoin trade. And in here, I've got 234,000. I've got 149,000 USDT. I've got 10.7 million MCRT, 49,000 MCRT. I'm going to buy 1 Bitcoin here. I'm going to start adding into my positions. If this is the bottom for Bitcoin, it will be beautiful. So I'm going to buy 1 Bitcoin right now at this current price. Buy. This is spot, so I'm actually owning the Bitcoin. It's not just a long leverage trade. It's buying an actual Bitcoin. So now you can see in this account, I've got in here 127,000 USDT, 10.7 million MCRT, 0.991 Bitcoin, which is beautiful. Those are my trades and thoughts on Ethereum. Again, if you want to trade like you see me do, under the video, go down below, sign up to Bybit using that link, and make sure you take the course and you learn about trading before you start doing this. And don't give up. Learn, study, learn how to trade. Then you can make, like you're seeing here, even though that trade I did earlier today is quite small, 149. If you've been following my videos, you've seen me make millions in dollars in the last 3 years just from my phone trading. I've been doing this for 21 years. Traveling the entire world, all from my iPhone, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. This isn't financial information, financial advice. You have to make your own decisions. This is what I'm showing you, what I do with my money. And you have to be responsible for yourself, but this is what I'm doing with my trades. At the moment, I'm getting ready to buy a lot of Google when it comes down a little bit more. I bought the bottom on Tesla, Facebook, which had big rebounds. But my main holdings, I want to make Google, Facebook, Tesla, Apple, Bitcoin, MCRT, TSM, FXS, Uni. That's what I want to stack a lot of as they come down and reset. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Hit subscribe, smash up thumbs up button, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.